In primetime news this evening, more pressure on the authorities to speed up corruption. JMMB mom on fate of the employee who made controversial tweet. And Police Federation fuming over lack of response to unfavorable working conditions.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. And also this evening we have the top business stories of the day. JMMB to offer more shares to the public.
And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jeremy.
Well, thank you, Janella. Well, you know the saying, money talks. Well, it would seem the JFF has paid up as the top reggae girls are now available for the Olympic qualifiers. A bit more later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before, we have the feedback question.
And tonight we're asking, does the threat of job loss affect what you post on social media?
You may share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.